Welcome to this short tutorial on how to play the song Finally. The Lord Has Done It Finally. It's on the key of C, C major, and I'm using the piano voice electric piano. Alright, the melody of the song goes like this, very simple. The beat of the song is 3 claps, so the Lord has done it finally, 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 the Lord has done it finally. So that's the beat of the song. The Lord has done it. So that's pretty much the progression of the song. And in terms of the chord progression, it just goes from your 1 to your 4, and then it goes back to your 1, and then it goes to your 5, and it goes back to the 1. So far notation for that is Do, from the Do to your Fa, and then back to Do, and then it goes to your So, and then it goes to your 1. So because it's an African music, you can just vamp your chords. The Lord has done it. The Lord has done it.